Every sound designer is asked to create some sort of a world in sound. From the background sounds, the ambiances, the wind, the storms, the hum inside a spaceship, as well as the mechanical sounds of motors and robot arms and legs and treads. Devices were built to create all kinds of sounds. Disney had an artist with them for many, many years named Jimmy McDonald. And over the years, he and his team built hundreds of props which were used to create sounds in the Disney cartoons. The Disney style was to use musical sounds for sound effects. If a character impacts on the wall, if somebody zipped across the frame, you might hear a whistle or a flute. These gadgets could be played as if they were musical instruments, and the timing of the sounds could be tailored to exactly match the picture.
This is a rain machine. I have it just loaded in there with little finishing nails, nailed all on strips, and then a couple hands full of Mexican peas. And by rotating it slowly, you'll get the rain sound.
Drawbridge chains.
A lot of the wind that we hear in movies has been this artificial wind. And that particular sound was used in the big toxic waste storm. Another classic device is the thunder sheet. It's a piece of sheet metal, and you can get a wonderful low-frequency rumble out of it.
I'm working on the sound effect for Wally's Treads, and I'm combining the sound of a chinchilla mating with a wildebeest driving a cement truck.
You just want a more sort of almost Eve-like, you know, kind of glow.
If that squeak sounds kind of sad and you never meant it to sound sad, it'll throw it that way. So you can't ignore it.
I usually first think, if these objects, places, or robots, or machines really existed, what would they sound like? How would they be powered? What would be the actual physics of how they work? Wally has a multitude of motors, and he very deliberately picked out different sounds for each of these movements. The end result is a product which involves thousands, maybe tens of thousands of decisions, and certainly thousands of sounds. And all of these sounds add up to the world of Wally.